Here's how to fix laptop speakers crackling sound on Windows 11. First, make sure your Windows system is fully updated. Open the Start menu, search for Settings, and launch it. From the left panel, select Windows Update. Then click Check for Updates. If any updates are available, download and install them before continuing. Once your system is up to date, open the Start menu again and search for Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand audio inputs and outputs and find your laptop speakers. Right-click the speaker device and select Update Driver. Next, choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose the available audio endpoint driver and click Next. Wait for the driver to install, then close the window. While you're still in Device Manager, right-click your speaker device again and select Disable Device. Confirm the prompt, wait a few seconds, then right-click the device once more and select Enable Device. After that, close the Device Manager window. After that, right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar and select Sound Settings. Then scroll down and click More Sound Settings. In the Playback tab, find your laptop speakers, right-click them, and select Properties. Then open the Advanced tab and make sure Enable Audio Enhancements is disabled. You can also try changing the default format to a different audio quality. For example, you could switch from a 16-bit format to a 24-bit format depending on which options are available on your laptop. Try different formats to see which one provides the clearest sound without crackling. Once you've made your changes, click Apply and then OK. If you're still experiencing crackling audio, open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and launch it. Set View By to Large Icons, and then select Power Options from these options. Check which power plan is currently active. If you're using high performance, try switching to balanced. If balanced is already selected, try switching to high performance instead. After changing the power plan, test your laptop speakers again. If the crackling sound continues after trying all of these solutions, there may be a hardware issue with your laptop speakers or audio components. In that case, it's best to have the device inspected by a qualified technician. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.